My name is Wehrle and I'm a criminal justice major. The criminal justice program here at Findlay is really preparing me for life after my degree because all the faculty here, Dr. Lucas, Dr. Beitzel, they all have practical experience that has really helped prepare me for the future. They relate their classes very well to what it's like out in the real world, and I feel like there really isn't any obstacle that I can't conquer because of their guidance and assistance. Dr. Beitzel put me into contact with the Hancock County Adult Probation, and I've actually interned there for the past year, working with my class schedule and my coaching schedule as well. And I've had a really great time there. It's been a very practical experience working with clients and learning through the justice system from the real life aspect. And it's definitely been very beneficial for me because I'll be working there full time prior or after graduation. My internship through the adult probation started off very basic, to where I took offenders' case files and I filed various information in it. And then as my time there has gone through, it's gotten more advanced to where I've been meeting with clients, talking about the crime that they committed to land them on probation, counseling them in different ways so they can rehabilitate themselves and work towards a better life. That's been through meeting with them, writing reports on them, and then just assisting officers in whatever way possible. Each day has been different, so it's definitely prepared me for the future. Criminal justice is definitely a great major, a great field to be in, because like I said, every day is different. You face a different challenge, whether it's a different offender or a different obstacle. Every day is just different. No criminal is the same, no day is the same, so it keeps you on your toes, it keeps that spunk, because you never know what challenge you're facing day by day. Once I graduate, I'm going to continue to work at adult probation for a year as a full-time employee. And then once that year wraps up, I plan on attending graduate school to further my education with criminal justice and obtaining my master's in criminal justice and then my master's in business administration as well. The University of Findlay is a great place to study criminal justice because the faculty here truly care. They're not just here to collect a paycheck or just to work and just something to clock in and clock out. They truly care about you as an individual than you as a student. They're willing to work with you day and night, no matter what it takes, to help you reach your goals. They've been very, very beneficial in helping me to working towards my career goals.